Hi there, everybody. Welcome to Comp USA. We are here today for the big premiere of some brand new stuff from AMD, some of the latest and very coolest stuff that you've ever seen. It's all about AMD Vision today, and we're actually broadcasting live to all of our Comp USA stores so that everybody out there can see what the next step is. And in order to do that, we have a whole bunch of people here from AMD and from Comp USA. So first I'm going to bring out a couple folks from Comp USA and from AMD. Come on out here, George. He is the Vice President of Components here, and so this is exciting today, right? We got some cool stuff going on. We're showing off some new display technology. We're showing off some new ways of purchasing components, really.
Yeah, it's really a great experience. We understand that the consumer market is changing, especially in retail. We know that customers can get more access on the internet, on mobile devices, and this Experience Center actually dovetails directly in with Tiger Direct and CompUSA's Retail 2.0 initiative. So in 2009 is when we actually launched it, and it gives basically the customers the internet experience in a retail environment, so they can get the information they need as quickly as they want and as easy as it is on the internet at home.
Yeah, and actually maybe even a little easier than on the internet, because it gives you the ability to actually physically look at the stuff, physically see how it goes together. All right, cool. And also today we have from AMD, we have Tony Fernandez-Stoll. He is the Director of Marketing. Come on out here, Tony. How are you, sir?
Good, you?
Doing good. So tell us a little bit about what we have going on here.
Well, Vision, can you guys hear me with the mic a little bit? Vision is actually the way that we are going to market on the consumer side, encapsulating all our capabilities, from graphics to the motherboard to the CPU, and we feel that it's an easier way to be able to communicate the purchase cycle. So it's based on how a consumer uses a system. Depending on your usage model, we will recommend a different flavor of Vision, and it combines those three components. So there are 4 flavors of Vision that you will see on the component side, and also with our system partners. Those are Vision Basic, Vision Premium, Vision Ultimate, and Vision Black. And depending on the type of user that you are of a system, you'll be able to find different components that will match that up. And the Vision Experience Center, the Vision Experience Center that we're launching here today, we're actually launching it in 5 stores, and we'll have all stores outfitted by the end of the year. We'll be able to allow you to configure your system how you want to configure it. So have a look at the system. Kim Steele is actually going to walk you through that. This is a campaign that's new for AMD. We launched this very recently on the component side. On the system side, we launched in Christmas of last year with notebooks, and you should be able to see some notebooks that are Vision-based in the store here today as well. So thanks very much for having me. I'm really excited about the opportunity. Thank you, George, for inviting us to speak, and enjoy your day.
Okay, so now we have somebody who is going to really show you how this works, because this is definitely new technology that hasn't been deployed in any stores ever before, really. I don't think anybody's ever seen anything like this. It gives people the ability to really immerse themselves in exactly what's going on. It gives you the ability to see each component, see how they go together, answers questions for you sort of automatically, and Kim's going to show us all about it. Come on out here, Kim. This is Kim Steele. She's the Channel Marketing Manager at AMD.
Thank you. Hi, everybody. So right now we're going to take you and walk you through how to configure your Vision platform. So first off, we're going to start with choosing from a list of scenarios the things you like to do, whether it's viewing some photos, recording live music, using your webcam, or simply just browsing your internet. So once you pick from a list of choices and scenarios, then you hit the submit button, and then the system will automatically tell you that based on the things that you like to do with your computer, Vision Ultimate is the step for you. So once you go through and you pick all your scenarios and you have your platform, you can move to show compatible parts. Now you can start to pick your CPU, and on the screen it'll show you the fact tag, more of the technical aspects of the CPU, but you can simply scroll through and pick the CPU that's right for you. Double click, goes straight down to the drop down menu, and then you head over to the GPUs and then down to the motherboards. So once you have each component selected, the Vision Experience Center will tell you the price point. If this is something that's right for you, then you simply hit print, and the system will generate a sales order. And with the sales order, you can take You can take this up to the tech counter to pick up your components, or you can grab them from the shelf and proceed to checkout. So it's very easy using the Vision Experience Center from AMD.
Right on. So obviously, this is a totally new way of doing this. I mean, it's because everyone keeps saying, oh, it's like using the internet, but actually, it's way cooler because you actually have the ability to browse through, to make quick changes. You know, if you decide that something's not for you, you can swap it out. You can say, okay, that's a little too expensive. I didn't want to spend $4.19. I want to spend a little less. So drop in that one. So we go down a few dollars. You can hit your price point a lot more easily, and it's super easy to use. It's like nobody would have any difficulty using it whatsoever, really. All right, very, very cool. And so I guess now one of the big questions is like, what is Vision, right? Because that's obviously what this is all about. It's all about the Vision platform. And to show us a little bit about that, we have Brent. Brent, sir, how are you?
Hey, how's it going?
Doing good. So tell us a little bit about what we got going on here. Tell us a little about these Vision systems and how it's going to help us enjoy computing a little bit more.
Right, so we have one of the other things that are available in store is a Vision Technology Barebone Kit, which enables you to get a really easy solution to get the Vision experience, to be able to have a better multimedia video experience, that visual experience that people want. This is the system that comes in the Vision Barebones Kit, and what it's great for is anything from being able to play the latest and greatest in games, like for here we're showing Battlefield Bad Company 2, or at the same time to be able to run any kind of the productivity that you need, whether it's managing your budget, running your small business, doing the work you need, keeping up with your friends and family on Facebook or Twitter. Being able to do all of that at the same time with a powerful PC, and it's a PC that's easy with the sales folks here to know how to upgrade so that you could even get a 3-screen full Eyefinity type of an experience. So the overall vision, the idea of Vision technology is really about helping you to decide what you want out of your PC experience, not just what the technology is, but starting with what you want to do with it. So again, we're really excited about this. I think we're going to be giving away one of the Barebone kits in a little while. And so that'll be, I guess, what's up next.
So does anybody have any questions about exactly how this works? Anybody want to give it a shot? Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's just a voice.
Oh, quite all right.
My question is, it's all based, or what AMD is doing is basically based on the processor and the graphics card. Is there anything else besides those two components? Are you guys actually involved in, even though I know there's a lot of variation and combinations you could do with both?
Yeah, so AMD is unique in the semiconductor and the technology business these days. There's, on the planet, there's 2 companies that make world-class CPUs, and we're one of them. And there's 2 companies that make world-class graphics, and we're one of them as well. So we develop the processors, we develop the graphics, we develop the motherboards that you need to have a better PC experience. So the PC kit that is on sale here includes an Athlon 2 635 processor, which is a quad-core 2.9 gigahertz processor. It includes a Radeon 5450 graphics card, and it includes the AMD 785G chipset motherboard. So it's all some of the latest and greatest components. Oh, there's always going to be tons of different combinations. Part of the idea of the Vision Experience Center is that we can go into what you want to do and then help you decide which components are going to help meet that need.
Tell you what, you want to come up here and give this a shot so you can see how it works? Come on up here, and you can configure a system actually, and you can see exactly how this goes down, so you can see how easy this is. So come on over here. And we're going to start with configure your vision, all right? So go ahead and touch right there. And so what you do is you pick the things that you want to do when you're using your PC, all right? So go ahead and just tap whatever on this list, from browsing the internet to editing videos to playing games. So overclocking, so that's one of the things you want to do. What else do you want to do when you're working on your PC?
Watch television on your PC.
Do you do any gaming or anything like that? Do you play games? Video editing? You want to be able to edit videos? Go ahead and choose video editing on there. High definition video editing. Anything else? Record live TV. You want to do that too, right? Okay. So once you've picked the things that you want to be able to do, just go ahead and hit submit. And what it's going to do is then take your criteria, the things that you like to be able to do, and it's going to assemble them into a list of parts for you to choose from. Okay? So now you pick the processor that you want. So are you looking to spend as little money as possible? You want to try to build kind of a budget? You want speed. So go ahead and double tap that one right there. And you see it drops it right here into your selected CPU. Now, it's already gone through, and based on what you want to be able to do, it's gone ahead and decided that this is by far the best video card for you. So go ahead and double tap that one and drop it down in there. And then you have a whole bunch of different motherboards. And you said that overclocking is something that's important to you, right? So you want to be able to get the most speed as possible. Now, there's a whole range of motherboards here for you to choose from. So go ahead and pick the one that you feel is best. Go ahead and that Gigabyte one is pretty good. It's one of my favorites personally.
Which one?
Just this one right here. You can tap anyone that you think is going to be best for you. And there you go. So what it does is it puts together all of those components for you. Tells you exactly what it's going to cost, so you can alter that if you need to, and then go ahead and hit the print button, and it's as easy.
I got a big one.
Go ahead, just tap print, and what that's going to do is it's actually going to give you, like Kim showed us before, a slip. Allows you to just take that to the counter, and they can grab all the components for you, and you've got a Vision system just like that.
I've never seen. This is the first time I've seen anything sort of like this, where they give you so many different options, especially with whatever your needs are. If you got 6 or 7 things that you want to do, you're gonna have to select a different combination of everything in order to do it.
And here you have more choices in terms of components to pick from than anywhere else.
This is the first time I see that. So
there you go. So as you see, that's how this works, and it's going to be available for you in all of the CompUSA stores. Do you have anything else you want to say before wrapping all this up?
We encourage every one of you in the audience and in the stores to go ahead and check out our Vision Experience Center by AMD.
All right, and in just a moment, I think in the local stores, they're going to be showing off some of the systems, right? So if you're in one of our CompUSA stores, they're going to show you, they'll get inside some of these computers and really show you what's going on. And everybody here, we're going to take a moment. You're going to be able to see it here as well. So everybody, thank you for coming out this afternoon. Thank you for checking out this brand new stuff from AMD, AMD Vision. Thank you, Kim. Thank you, George. Thank you, Tony. Thank you, Brent. Appreciate it, everybody. Bye-bye.